So we've had a nice move down. I'm just waiting for a buy signal. But keep in mind, we've got this low that was formed over here. And I wouldn't be surprised if we get this move up and then another move down to take out this low. Maybe we get that after 30 minutes of the hour. So like 2:30 to 2:35, we might be seeing it
Buy
move down
opportunity
there.
discovered.
Okay. We've got our buy there. Our sell here. That's good that it's moving down now before it went up. If it does end up moving back up and making this a big wick, then that's pretty good for us. Wow, I am really not feeling good. I feel like I can't even focus on what I'm looking at. Definitely on the way to getting sick. Thankfully, this strategy is pretty simple. So I don't have to pay attention to too many things at once. It's probably going to hang around this area until 30 to 35. I don't think it's going to have any kind of huge move between now and then. This will be interesting. So I put my stop loss at the opposite signal line. Hopefully it is going to go ahead and move to try to take this low out. We do have a lot of consolidation volume over here. So it might just hang around here a bit. Now today it's been moving slowly enough that I've ended up just not being patient enough to wait around for it and losing confidence in the move. So I've moved my stop loss to break even and then get stopped out break even only for it to continue chopping a bit and then go my way. But I'm not going to change anything with that. I'm still going to go ahead and move to break even if I do end up uh going back into profit. We'll see. Like I said, it's chopping around here. I was kind of hoping it would move down, but who knows what'll happen? Nobody. To really drive the point home, I want to mention that in a quote normal market, like most of Q4 2025, for example, before the holidays, I would have expected a nice push down. Like I would at least get a nice push down so I could lock in at least one level of trailing, or at least auto break even without me manually interfering and breaking even a little bit early. Um, but it just is taking a lot longer, and it is kind of chopping around, being really hesitant and taking forever in moves. Like look at the wicks. I know on my chart colors it's hard to see the wicks, but look at the wicks on all these candles. Over here it's not so bad, but yeah. I mean, it's just not great price action. You have to sit and wait a lot. That's kind of why I said earlier that I'm going to take my ball and go home, because it's just annoying to wait for. Here we go. We got something. I'm going to at least move it to break even. With the huge wicks everywhere, everything feels a lot lower probability. So at least we are in a free trade. Look how much it's struggling just to move 4 points. In February or March, we'd probably be seeing, 10 to 20 points looking like this, not 4. Come on, take that low out. We are approaching 2:30. And remember, 30 to 35 minutes of the hour, there is typically a reversal. So we could go back up and get me stopped out for just a tiny bit of profit, or it could accelerate down. But either way, there's usually some kind of outsized move around 30 to 35 minutes.
Buy opportunity discovered.
Kind of waiting for that right now. When I say that it's annoying and I want to take my ball and go home, so to speak, I don't really feel very emotionally annoyed. It's just kind of like, I got other stuff I might want to do, and I guess I don't feel as productive, maybe. I don't know. But uh, last year, several months ago, I would have felt pretty stressed out about it if I got stopped out at break even multiple times. But as I keep saying, and as you can see on the charts every time, there are just so many signals, and most of them are good. So I just really don't have that regret of missing out on a trade, or frustration, or anything, because there's always going to be more. Sorry about my voice. Kids brought something home from school, so come on. All right, that's probably going to get us stopped out. The first one, it was break even plus 8 ticks. There we go. All right, on to the next. That was like 5 points profit. Not very much, but it is moving quite slowly. I'm going to cut the recording here, and I'll see you in the next one.